Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amaya, and in today's video we'll be unboxing Hermione Granger doll from Harry Potter series. So let's get started. Okay, so the box is pretty. It says Hermione Granger here, and it says Harry Potter. It has a nice effect. It shows us here a picture of Hermione, and this is the doll. If we turn it around, we can see the other characters we can collect, like Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, Ginny Weasley, Albus Dumbledore, and Professor Minerva McGonagall. So it says here it has a full picture of the doll. Yeah. And it says Hermione Granger is a smart and inquisitive pupil with a love for studying. She quickly becomes one of Harry Potter's best friends with her quick thinking and impressive talent for magic. Yeah. Okay, so let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. We grab the scissors. Be careful with the scissors because it can cut you. So use adult supervision when doing this, or ask an adult to do it for you. So we cut the box. I actually don't want to ruin the pretty background. It has such a pretty background that I just don't want to ruin it. I don't feel like it. So, out of the box. Yeah, I didn't ruin it. Whew. Okay, so be careful also with this step because you can accidentally cut a sock of the doll, or I don't know, a sweater part, a hair part. That's the most scary part for me. And we're almost done. I hate the head parts. They're just so difficult to open. And you can cut the hair like so easily, so yeah, I'm afraid. Okay, I think we got it. Nope. There's another one? Okay, no. Whew. We got it. And now the black rope. Okay. Now it's good. The doll has like brown hair with a little bit of red. She has freckles all over her face. She has brown eyebrows, brown eyes. She has a pretty Hogwarts sweater with red and yellow stripes and a white collar. She uses a skirt that is like the uniform skirt. It is not attached to the sweater. They're two separate pieces, so yay! They're Velcro in the back. And the doll has gray stockings and black school shoes. She also comes with a wand that can be attached to her finger. And I honestly love the detail that they put in these wands, because it's like the character's wand. They don't make a brown sticker and that's it. Look, you can see Hermione's wand that has like the the plant going all over the wand, and that it's a plus for me. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool, and it's also cool that you can attach it to the finger. It looks so cool with the wand. Okay, let's keep going. So yeah, that's the doll. She has a lot of articulation, not as the Made to Move Barbies, but she has articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and it doesn't have movement at the ankle, so that's bad for me. But this doll can hardly stand on her own. So yeah, that's a difficult one. But oh yeah, and I almost forgot to review that rope. She comes with a black rope. It's like a it has attachments. It has attachments here. Ooh, I didn't notice that. Okay, now it's good. She comes with a black rope. It's not a soft material. It has the Gryffindor crest on the side. And let's see how the doll looks in the robe. So we put the rope onto the doll. It's the Hogwarts uniform rope. So that's cool. And it's very easy to put on the rope. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool. That's a plus for me, because there's some dolls, like the LOLs, that you have to remove their hands because they're so difficult to put on the jackets. And so we have here Hermione Granger with her black robe. It looks awesome on her. Just that the hair is getting in the way of that hoodie. So yeah, she can wear the hoodie. That's a plus. So yeah, if you are a Harry Potter fan or just a doll collector, these dolls will definitely add a lot to your collection. They have a lot of value, they're cool. They have articulation. The hair is detailed. Oh wait, she has bangs also, and like wavy hair. But yeah, the hair is soft. The doll is very detailed. The clothes, all is so cool. And also, I love the wands. I already mentioned it, but I will mention it twice. I love how they made the wand. So, yeah! Okay, so that's all for unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and share all the video with your friends. Bye! See you next time. Bye.